In this module, we're going to talk about the online traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of all online business. If you don't have any idea what traffic is, don't worry because it's very simple. Whenever someone visits your website, offer page, or your sales page, that's traffic. You may have the best of the best offers, but if you don't have the right targeted traffic, then you cannot make any money. But once you have the right offer with a high targeted traffic, then you can produce profit. To make money online, you need a targeted traffic, and that's why it's very important. Let me take you to my #1 secret untapped traffic source to help you start making affiliate commissions quickly. This exact traffic has helped me build my email list from 0 to 5,000 plus, in addition to daily cash commissions. Let's go to my email over here first, and you can see that commissions are pouring in while I'm recording the videos. On the other hand, here's my Auber account, which has 5,000 plus subscribers. And here are my daily commissions with different promotions. I'm just showing this so you can imagine how your pages should look in the future. And I want to deliver the most important information to you. I just want to emphasize, too, how important it is to drive targeted traffic to your offers. Moving on, my first secret traffic source, which I'm going to discuss with you, is known as solo ads. Solo advertisement is the method of sending an email about your offer, which you are promoting to another marketer's list. Right now, if you do not have a list or your list is still small, what you can do is contact marketers with huge lists. Tell them that you'll send an offer to their email list and pay some amount of money. Like I said, you send them to a squeeze page first. That moves towards the offer. This is how you leverage other people's list to get you leads and sales. To make it clear for you, I'll show you an example. For example, you have XYZ offer and you want to make more money. How do you do that? First is to create a squeeze page. Then contact people with an email list of say 70,000, 30,000, etc. One way of finding people in the solo ads business is through Facebook. Just search for solo ads groups and start there. Interact with people first and ask around. If you do this right, then you're now building your list for free. This is because you earn enough affiliate commissions to pay for the solo ads, or even more. I believe this thing is clear and it is just the beginning. There are still some tricks which you should do once you are contacting solo ad vendors. There are questions that you should ask them so they would understand if you're a pro marketer or a newbie. All this good stuff is going to come to you in the next video module. In the last video, we've discussed the long cut method of finding high-quality solo ad vendors. That is the long method, but very effective. Now we will discuss the shortcut method. This is great for people who don't have much or enough time. Let's start. Right now, I'm inside Facebook. On the search box, I will type solo, and Facebook shows me some of those groups which I'm a member of. Let's go to Solo Ads Sales Testimonials. When you go to this type of group, they will ask you to join first before you can see the content and members of the group. This group is where people buy solo ads, and this is where they do some email marketing stuff. And so they get high-converting solo ad traffic. In this group, there are already 10,000 plus members, and this group is really active. So how would you know where or to whom you should buy a solo ad from? You can see a lot of posts here from different people with great testimonials about their solo ads. But you have to make sure these people are the right ones for you. How do you do that? First, you can get a seller's name from one testimonial and copy it in the group's search box. Once you do this, all the testimonials for this person will appear. This way you can check if this seller is great or not based on testimonials from his previous customers. Next thing is, check if the seller is getting some sales or not. Then check his opt-in too. If he's getting 30% and above, then that is a good result. The next step is to contact the person that you have chosen. If you have a common friend on Facebook that can connect you with each other, then you can also mention that when introducing yourself. This step is to build a good relationship with each other. Again, there's nothing to lose if you ask for some discount. One more thing, you should also check if the person has a website or not. This can also show you if he's been doing this for quite some time. Let me take you to another group this time. We call this Solo Ads Testimonial Group with 24,000 plus members. This is also a very popular and active group as well. The members here are also building their business, and you can find tons of great people here. One more page down is David Deckel's Express Solo Ad Group under 24-hour delivery sellers. If you buy from this group, they're going to make sure that you get your traffic delivered within 24 hours, which is absolutely amazing. There you have it. Once you dig inside these groups and search for the correct people for you, you'll be getting plenty of targeted traffic coming to your affiliate offers. This is not only to make sales, but to build a list as well. This is super easy, so you can start making money today. It is so simple to follow, but most marketers don't know this.